This is Paul Evans, Finlay Evans Waterproofing, and in this case a little bit of Building Services Australia. There comes that waterproofing come builder scenario. Ming, Mr. Ming as we call him, fantastic guy, lives in Doncaster East, had been through the ringer. This chap had a brand new house, built, one of three, on a large block in Doncaster. The builder had been back to stop water flowing in underneath this gentleman's house, and he had a swimming pool underneath the house basically, which was causing mould and stench coming up into all the home. The builder supposedly came back. I met the builder on site by coincidence when I was doing an inspection and told him how he had to waterproof it properly so it wouldn't leak. He thought he knew better, so he went about waterproofing it in his own way, which was a piece of plastic and a bit of slapdash here, material from a large hardware store. And of course, when that all was done and backfilled, it started to leak again. Ming called me back. He said, "Paul, you got to help us." So we set about digging out the whole thing again and excavating everything right down to its core group. We installed all new drainage system. We had our plumber actually fabricate special 100mm sewer pipe into stormwater pipe, cutting slots into it so it wouldn't crush under the self-weight, which normal 90mm pipe often does. It was a really tight situation. Our applicators were really fantastic with this job. They got down and got stuck into it and got it done absolutely perfectly, getting that membrane right down onto the footing so the water can't flow down past the footing. We put our Armour Blue protection sheet on everything, so that stops the membrane getting damaged when you backfill. Then we installed the plumbing system, which was done by M.A. Dillon Plumbers. They're our plumbers that preferred to do most of our work, and they set that up very nicely indeed, then backfilled it with a crushed rock. We also were engaged to carry out concreting works. We had our concreters come in. We did a lot of excavation. We concreted various parts of it. We did the front courtyard. We did the whole rear yard. Colour matched everything. Then reinstated everything back to the way it should have been. Ming's very, very happy with the work. He reported some months ago that after huge rains we had in Melbourne, that underneath was bone dry. It's music to his ears and to ours. So another successful job. Thank you for listening.